Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm using the 4 hours time frame, the beloved and most popular time frame in the Forex trading, and my favorite too. And as you can see, market was in downtrend. Market tried to go up, then market came down. Market came down, then again market tried to go up. Market is facing some resistance, and market is coming down again. Okay, so overall the picture is very messy. We can see that the market is the chart is not that clean. The chart is very messy and things are quite complicated. So as you know, I always prefer the multi-time frame analysis. So now let's switch to the weekly time frame and see what is going on. Okay, in the weekly chart we can see that market has formed a green candle this week. Previous week market formed a red candle, okay, and before that market formed a green candle. But one thing that we need to focus here is that we have a resistance. Okay, we have a resistance on the weekly chart, and you can see that this week also and previous week also market is trying to cross the resistance, but market is unable to do so. So on two instances, this week and previous week, market failed to cross the resistance. Okay, so right now we have a resistance on the weekly chart, 109.50. 109.50. Sorry about the zero. So this level is very important because it's a resistance on the weekly chart. Okay, now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame, the time frame that we will be trading. And yes, right now you can see that the main reason behind this resistance is that, see, after this fall, market made a good reversal. It made a V pattern. It made a good reversal. But see, from here market failed. Okay, market failed to go up and market came down. Again market tried to go up. Okay, market is still struggling to cross the level. So the main reason behind this is the resistance on the weekly chart. So now we have got the answer. Okay, so what is the main issue? So what should be a strategy then? Okay, so after considering the resistance on the weekly chart, okay, we have two trading possibilities on this chart. Okay, the first trading opportunity will be this line. Okay, 109.70. So yeah, previously I told you 50, it's 70. Okay, 109.70, this particular level. Okay, if market crosses this level, then you can go for buy. But as I always say, confirmation is very important. So if market crosses this level, wait for 3 to 4 hours and just try to see the price, how the price is doing. Just observe the price. Okay, just observe the price. Just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that after 3 to 4 hours market is not struggling, the price is not struggling, it is trading comfortably, then we will get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support and you can go for a buy. Okay, you can go for a buy above this level. So this is your first trading opportunity. The second trading opportunity will be this level. We can see that market has a good amount of support at this level, here, at 108.34. At 108.34 market has a good support. So in case market comes down and hits this particular support level, again your duty will be to observe the price. Yes, duty of a trader is to understand the market psychology and observe the price. Okay, it is the most important thing that traders usually miss. Okay, your duty will be to observe the price. If you see that after hitting this level 108.34 level, market is bouncing, okay, market is about to reverse from here, then you can go for a buy at this level. So this is your first level. If market crosses this level 109.70, you can go for a buy, and if market reverses from this level 108.34, then you can go for a buy here. If market reverses from this particular point, okay, from this particular point, I'll tell you not to short the market, because just look at this candle, okay. Does it look like a normal candle? No, this candle signifies that there was huge selling pressure in the market, okay, but there was some resistance in the weekly chart. That's why market failed, okay. But this candle signifies that bulls were very much serious to cross the level, so there is a good possibility that market will be crossing this level, okay. Just try to understand the market psychology here, okay. This candle, huge selling pressure, market hit the resistance, okay. After the market has formed 4 candles after reaching this resistance level, 1 2 3 4, okay. Let me zoom in. Just look at these 4 candles. Spinning top means no decision. Good. Instead of reversing, there was a good tug of war situation between the bulls and the bears. No decision. Second candle also no decision. Bulls and bears both were equally strong. Sorry. Third candle, bulls won. Okay, bulls won. Market formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Third candle, look at, though the color is red, still it's a hammer kind of a pattern with price rejection from below. So this is not an ideal position to short the market. There is a resistance. That doesn't mean that you can short the market right away. Understanding the market psychology is very, very crucial, okay. So let the market cross this level, let the market trade comfortably above this level for 3 to 4 hours, then go for a buy order. Secondly, if market comes down to this level, this is your second buying level, and I have already explained you why you should not short the market at this level, okay. So no shorting the market. Wait for the market to come to your price level so that you can make some money. This is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.